Hey guys, today we are doing another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing Little Hotties hand warmers. You can see that it's only one pair. Okay, you can see this. If you watch right here, wait, come on, focus. Hold on one second. Yeah, there you go. Look, first you have to open it. Yeah, do not. It also has a warning. Do not open the actual packet, or it'll be very dangerous because it's got some toxins and some stuff in there. Yeah, the warnings. Make sure no one ever opens this thing because it's gonna be dangerous. Okay, let's never mind that. Just looking at the packet. Yeah, no one really cares about that stuff. You just want me to open the actual packet, okay? And this only costs 99p. You can check online if you want. Some cost more, some cost less. Oh crap. Okay, one out. The hell's the second one? Holy, this is not going out. Oh, there it is. You have to open it from the bottom. So there's basically two ways to open it. That's actually very clever. This is up to 8 hours pure heat. Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, this is what we have inside. These are 2 packs. Holy. Anyway, never mind. If you can hear background sounds, that's just construction next door. You can see this is Little Hotties. Yeah, it just says their website. They're basically, if you read it over here, you have to shake it and then put it in your pocket. So just shake it. Holy, oops. One second, I'll shake it properly. Okay, I've shaken it. It's getting a little bit warm. This one's not that warm because I was not shaking it. But it says if you put it in your pocket, it will be actually a lot warmer than it was before. Well, anyway, guys, it's going to be the end of the Hotties hand warmers video. I think you should get these because even though they're really cheap, I don't know how much it is inside other countries. Well, I just live in England, so I only know the price. I can't even bother to work it out right now. Anyway, it should be cheap in other countries as well. But these are actually a very essential thing you guys should actually get because these things actually warm your fingers. Like if you work in something cold, you can easily just do this. My hand's already warm already. And you guys like the video if you like it. Thanks for watching.